Can he maintain this pace? Right uppercut and left hook, twice in a row, and Gabby is down on the count. We will get the official decision from Teddy Mulgay very shortly.
Matapos ang 7 sunod-sunod na panalo, 6 pa dito ay tinapos via TKO at nakuha pa ang WBO Oriental Super Featherweight title. Ay nabigyan ng pagkakataong makalaban sa labas ng bansa itong Pinoy na tubong tagbilaran Bohol na si John Vergel Vitor alias Valiente. Noong May 25, 2023 o noong nakaraang araw lang ang naging unang laban ni Vitor sa labas ng Pinas. Ito ay ginanap sa bansang Thailand. Ang laban ay para sa titulong WBC Asian Silver Super Featherweight title. Nakalaban niya ang isang Thai boxing champion na si Kampi Payom. Di din basta-basta itong kalaban dahil naging champion na din ito bilang WBA Asia East Super Lightweight Champion. May record ito na 23 wins, 6 losses, 2 tabla, 15 via knockout. Habang 20 wins, 2 losses, 13 via KO naman ang dayong Pinoy na Boholano. Main event ang kanilang laban na ginawa sa Space Plus Bangkok, Thailand. Sa mismong laban ay parehong pinakita ng dalawang mandirigma ang galing, tibay at tapang. Kaya naman, sobrang ma-aksyon ang naging suntukan pero mas nangibabaw ang lakas ng Pinoy. Isang malademonyong kaliwa ang tumama sa panga ng kalaban na nagpatulog dito sa ibabaw ng lona. Sa sobrang lakas ay tila di na nagising pa ang kalaban at agad itong dinala sa ospital. Ating balikan ang maaksyon pero nakakatakot na laban ng Pinoy na si Vergel Vitor kontra Thai boxer na si Kampi Payom.
So 6 defeats and 2. Good right hand there from Kampi as we start round number 1. Feel like this is going to be another here. Abdul winning the vacant WBA Asia light heavyweight title. So Vergel Vitor and Kampi Payom duking it out now for the vacant WBC Asia silver and super featherweight title. Jab for the body there, exchanging good punches. Good left hook there from Vergel. Kampi rallying as well, his own right hand to the body, jab to the head of 2. Stay away with landing their own straight rights. Big clubbing left hook there from Kampi, and that's got puts Kampi off balance too momentarily. Right hand from Vergel again. Clubbing left hook there from Kampi as Kampi right hand lands for the Thai fighter. Vergel with the jab, 10 seconds to go in round number 1. This has been an excellent opening round. Vergel already showing signs of bruising on his left thigh, and that's the
Super Featherweight Champion, Virgil Victor! The WBA Asia President, Mr. Won Kim. Special thanks to Asian Boxing Federation President, Mr. Nari Singwacha. Thank you, Space Plus, Singwacha Foundation, Club 747.
Hi guys, this is Mark Magnifico Magsayo. You are watching Channel Manoy.